Today, parents in Rocky Mount won't have to drive far to access health care for their children. Carilion Clinic has opened up a pediatric clinic after the only pediatrician in town decided to retire over a year ago. WSLS 10's Ananda Rachita has more on the need that this will fill for the area.
That's been like the past 2 days.
Okay. Being a parent is a lot of work, especially if your child gets sick.
This rash all over his little body, day 5, so we're seeing what's going on.
For about a year, Jennifer Leda had to drive her kids to Roanoke or Westlake to see a pediatrician after the only one in town decided to retire. More than 3,000 patients had to find another doctor.
I couldn't believe it. I mean, you know, not having anything close it's very challenging, and it's worrisome, especially if they need treatment, you know, soon to make that long trip.
Carilion decided to open up a pediatric clinic in Rocky Mount to fill that void.
How are you? I'm Dr. Self.
Dr. Catherine Self is the pediatrician for the new office.
So I knew of the void in the community, so I was really excited when this opportunity came up to be able to provide care in this area.
While Dr. Self is the only pediatrician in town, it's not expected to be that way for long. The chair of Carilion's Department of Pediatrics says they're looking to expand.
And my hope would be eventually this practice would probably have 3 pediatric providers at some point, but I don't know exactly how soon that will be, and we would add one at a time.
Carilion is spreading the word about the new office through marketing efforts, but plans to hold an open house for the community sometime in March. In Rocky Mount, Ananda Rachita, WSLS 10.